In today's video, we're diving into PrivateGPT, an open-source project that's changing the game. Imagine chatting with your documents right on your local machine with no GPU needed. I will show you a quick and easy setup of PrivateGPT on your local machine. With just 3 simple commands thanks to Docker, you can get PrivateGPT up and running in no time. And the best part? You don't need any developer skills or Python installation. Next up, we're going to craft a Docker file that mirrors the installation steps outlined on the PrivateGPT documentation page. This one-time step is key for setting up a standalone Python container loaded with all the necessary PrivateGPT dependencies. The beauty of this? Once done, you can use PrivateGPT on any computer or deploy to the cloud if you want to. After a while, we have PrivateGPT Docker container ready to be deployed. We can now just use docker compose up command to deploy it, or use portainer as I did here. You can check the container's logs to see if we got any errors, and then go to the container terminal to run our third and last command to get PrivateGPT running. And this is it. With this last command, PrivateGPT will download the LLM and embedding models specified in the script/setup file. Now we can just go to localhost port 8001 to use PrivateGPT and chat with our docs locally. I just tested it with a very secret paper about a P2P electronic cash project, and here is how PrivateGPT does it magic. Let me know in the comments what plans you have to use PrivateGPT for. Don't forget to stay tuned for more exciting content.